friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I bring you a super awesome review. I'm super excited to unbox this amazing toaster from Redmond. I love it. The color is so beautiful. And let's prepare some delicious snacks for our family. So let's get to it.
Let's unbox this toaster, my friends. I love the packaging. Inside it came very secured, my friends. And I like that it has a double secure on both sides. It comes with the manual. Now let's get it out of this bag and let's get it plugged in and prepare our snacks. I'm totally in love, my friends, with this color. So festive, Christmassy vibes, retro. I love that each side has its own control system. And my friends, if one side you wanted a higher temperature or a lower temperature, you can totally control that. And it's super functional and practical. These are the ingredients that I'll be using: some waffles, I'll be using some bread, and some cream cheese Philadelphia, and some strawberries. These snacks are my go-to whenever my family just wants a quick, simple snack, but I also love it because I can include some type of fruit in it and my son will eat it. How amazing is this, my friends? I can totally put 4 pieces of whatever you need to use and totally control one side of the temperature that you wish to use, and on the other side you can control it too. And my friends, it works so fabulously.
It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. People are smiling, making plans, hiding behind their shades, and you're doing.
Let's put together this amazing snack. I love it. It's super easy and simple, but my friends, I love it because I can incorporate some type of fruit, and strawberries. Strawberries are my son's favorite. And I love this cream cheese Philadelphia because it's so easy to spread on. And it looks kind of like a dip kind of in a way, but I love it because I don't have to struggle to spread it all around. And I just think it makes the perfect delicious snack.
I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. But if the sky would open up, you're staying home, you don't get out. You always used to love the rain, but LA changed you. No rain, no flower.
Now with the waffles, friends, I just decided to keep it simple. My husband really doesn't like butter on his waffles, so I'm just going to place these delicious strawberries. I cut them into slices, and I'll just be putting some syrup on top, and that's his favorite snack to go.
'Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm and I know. I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. No rain, no flowers. Nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake, 'cause I'm not there beside.
My friends, you can create these delicious ideas and many more, my friends. My family will sure enjoy these amazing goodies. Go ahead and check out the link before. The toaster is so awesome, comes with many features, and I love it's so functional and practical, my friends. If one family member wants a toast, if another one wants a waffle, if another one wants a sandwich, my friends, the possibilities are endless. Now let's enjoy these delicious snacks.